Hello and welcome. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, dealing with constant inflammation, or just not feeling your best? It's time to make a change and discover the powerful benefits of flax seed oil. Hi, my name is Nancy, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about flax seed oil. Please disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about flax seed oil is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because it has been the subject of some fakes. I left all the details in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of flax seed oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, flax seed oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is flax seed oil? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes. This miraculous natural remedy is loaded with essential fatty acids, including the elusive omega-3 and omega-6, which are crucial for maintaining optimal health and wellness. From promoting healthy brain function to reducing inflammation, flax seed oil is the secret weapon you've been searching for to unlock your body's full potential. Say goodbye to harmful additives and synthetic solutions, and say hello to a 100% natural and versatile remedy that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Whether you're a busy professional or a fitness enthusiast, flax seed oil is the perfect way to boost your immune system, improve your heart health, and enhance your overall well-being. But that's not all. Flax seed oil has been shown to work wonders for your skin and hair, helping to nourish, hydrate, and protect from damage. It can even help support healthy weight loss by curbing cravings and increasing feelings of fullness. So, briefly, with flax seed oil you will get the following benefits: supports a healthy heart, promotes digestive function, maintain healthy cholesterol, encourages cellular repair, maintains eye health. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, flax seed oil has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as linimuzetaticimum, omega-6, omega-9, omega-3, and many others, natural elements rich in great properties, 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Also, for flax seed oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with flax seed oil, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test flax seed oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the activation platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy flax seed oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that flax seed oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of flax seed oil for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.